Hmm. Start. Good morning. Under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, as you have seen in the banner, our school Kendriya Vidyalaya Shilchar, we are observing a program on different activities. So today our topic is water conservation. It comes under ACOM Icon Week. This week goes from 4th October to 10th October. Clear? So this week we are celebrating as a water conservation week under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Now the topic is what is water conservation. As you know, water is a very precious resource of today's generation because one day will come if we will not save the water, we will not able to drink not even a single drop. Whenever we see flood around us, water is everywhere but not a drop of water to drink. So water conservation is very important part in today's world. So in the slide you can see how much our body is made up of 70% of our body is made up of water. So for conserving the water, what we have to do, we have to when water is not required, we must close the tap. If there is any leakage in the pipe, we must call the whom we have to come. We have to call the plumber. Clear? We must make sure that. Mm. We must make sure to use collective rainwater. As you have already started, rainwater harvesting is very important part of today's world because if we conserve that water, this water will be help for gardening purpose, for washing clothes, for washing utensils, for washing animals, for taking bath, and these all. So always we must make measures to use water. We must store water in a proper way so that if there is no water, we can reuse that also. When we take bath, we must keep that water for future use. So rainwater harvesting is a very common method. It doesn't cost so much, but it can be useful in various ways. So water conservation is a very important part in today's generation. If there is any leakage, because in many parts of our world, still water is the main crisis. They have lots of things, but water is not there. At least pure drinking water, because from water we know many types of diseases are also coming up. So we must conserve each and every drop of water. So in this way, I hope you can get the awareness about what is the importance of water conservation, why water is so much important. Thank you.